We are here in Sesimbra because we are having our second summer school.
Play and they put
Amplifiers, which is really important for cities.
Take the horizontal diameter, the other diameter being 40 centimeters exactly. So imagine a circle like this, 40.07 and 40.
So all training events were focused on geospatial technologies, geographic information systems, map storytelling, remote sensing, robotics, programming, encoding, and of course cartography and spatial thinking.
The goal is to share with the teachers all the materials, strategies and resources that were prepared by the collaboration so we can help the teachers to bring these tools to the classroom and work with the students.
In this academy, we are 12 partners from 7 different countries, including Cyprus, Greece, Austria, France, Sweden, Portugal, and Bulgaria.
The interaction of these teachers with other cultures, with teachers from other countries, make them understand what are the similarities, what are the differences, and the collaboration will transform them. So they will pick up the good practices and lessons learned from each of the country, and the final cake will be something much more appealing for the students.
It's like a cake. Everything is good. I can see my students working and be really engaged on the action that we need to do.
Cooling effect is super important.
I always find very interesting this international environment, and also to exchange experience and to get to know how work schools in other countries. And the second point was, of course, to learn about new techniques and new approaches in geography.
Whenever you are ready, you can stop jumping.
sorry 29.4 39 in the shade
20.
29.
This was the final.